Well, that hospital has wore me out, and my family still has to have New Year's supper. So, what we're going to do is we're going to make some swamp soup. Y'all don't mind my appearance. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted, but we've got to cook. So, we're going to take a pound of smoked sausage, and we're going to fry it up in our pan. I'm using the Country Pleasing Original, and I just put some butter down here, and I cut it up in little pieces about like that, and we're just going to stir it around until it gets brown. While our sausage is cooking, we're going to put a large can, the 28-ounce can of seasoned turnip greens into our pot. We're going to put a can of the Hoppin' John black eyed peas, a can of navy beans, a can of rotel. Now that our sausage is all browned up, we're going to add that to our pot with our other stuff. And y'all, I completely forgot to saute an onion. So I'm going to saute an onion and a small yellow onion as soon as I get done putting this sausage out of here. I'm just going to saute it in this same sausage grease real quick. Add it in. You know, cooking's all about making mistakes sometimes. So we're going to saute a small onion and we'll go back and add it in over here. Cube you up 2 or 3 potatoes. You're going to put it over in your pot. I don't peel mine. You can peel yours if you want to, but I don't want to. I'm tired. 2 cups of water. 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. Yeah, that'll do. I'm just adding in that onion that I forgot to saute. Like I said, it's okay. We make mistakes sometimes. We're going to give all this a good mix. Like I said, we're going to bring it to a boil and we're going to turn it down on medium heat, medium-low heat, and let it simmer for about 40 minutes until our potatoes are done. Can't forget the hog jaw either. So we got some smoked jaw, and I'm just going to drop some down over in my swamp soup, y'all. You just make the recipe your own. It's all right. But, you know, you got to have jaw. Is it for luck or money or something? But, yeah, we're going to put some of that down in there. And look at that bread. That's a perfect pone every single time. Now let's get this supper cooked up. If y'all hear something going, it's my washing machine too. Because y'all, I got to wash up some clothes. Because, you know, I can't wash clothes tomorrow because it's New Year's. It is done, y'all. I just cooked it about 40 minutes until my potatoes were fork tender. Let's give this a try. Y'all, I have never made this. So this is my first time trying this. We're finna try it together and see how good it is. And don't worry, we're going to get some black eyed peas and hog jaw and turnip greens and all that stuff tomorrow too. Because we're going to eat leftovers. Oh, the husband is home because he come home from deer camp or because of our daughter, and he's gonna go back tomorrow. So he's gonna take him a big bowl that's down there. You done tasted yours?
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
It's pretty good. It's hot, not spicy hot, off the stove hot.
Let's see. I like it. I think it needs a little pepper sauce to it. What do you think?
Probably.
I think I put a little pepper sauce in it and this stuff be good to go. Y'all, I love y'all. I will see y'all in the comments.